Yes. Expensive. That's what it's giving. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ashley Emerald. Girl, if you're new, make sure you sit still and get comfortable. Or if you're new, make sure you sit still and get comfortable. As you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing a styling video today. So it's pretty much how to look expensive but on a budget. Because that's my brand. So we're not gonna waste any time. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, comment below so I can do more. I'm trying to be consistent with YouTube. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so as you could tell, I have on an all black number, but I also have just like some color schemes going on. Brown, tan, but okay, so right now it's the all black number, so I just have on this turtleneck. You can't go wrong with a turtleneck. It just makes everything look more elegant and more professional than it really is. So this turtleneck I got from H&M, probably less than $20, definitely less than $20. And I have on black jeans, so I'm gonna tilt the camera so y'all can see. Black jeans, you cannot go wrong with the all black number. And these jeans were only $24. It's from one of those fast fashion stores. And then booties, black booties. All black is just an essential to, I feel like, looking classy, looking expensive, and just looking grown. Yeah, so like I was saying, I feel like all black is just essential to look classy, sexy, grown, all of that, professional. So that is an all black number, and let's style how we can spruce it up and still keep it in that elegant, classy, expensive, grown, in that category, okay? Okay, so this is a brown tan crop from Shein, and this was most likely $17, $18. Yeah, so inexpensive, but also just adds a little something to the outfit, but still looking expensive. So another thing that's just always essential to have, you know, as you go out in the world and look expensive and like that girl and that bad, you know what I'm saying. Always good to have like a nice pocketbook, a nice purse, just a nice clutch, whatever, just a nice, simplistic, not doing too much, simple bag. So my bag I'm gonna do is the YSL to pair with this. Yeah, so it doesn't have to be a designer bag, but whatever bag you have that is, you know, just simple but still a statement piece, definitely gives expensive, luxury, black girl magic, all of that, okay? All right, another way we can pair this all black number is with a scarf. Scarf's just not a scarf. What am I talking, y'all? It's late, literally late. But another way to just like pair this is with a fur. So this is not even like a fur coat. It's literally just like a fur vest. Super cute sweater material. Yep, super cute. This is what the bottom looks like, and it just has this button here, not button, but like clasp. I honestly don't remember where I got this from, you guys, so sorry. It's actually two clasps. So I clasp that one up, and it just gives, yeah, it just gives expensive, it gives luxury, it gives black girl magic, and it gives that bitch, like, period. Again, pair it with a nice black bag preferably, and it's given what it needs to give. Like, if I had some shades on, yes, expensive, that's what it's given. Don't say what. All right, here is the other look, just another fur. but this one is in a cream color. I actually got this at H&M and completely forgot, but Also, another great tip is just having accessories. So I just have on my Marciano watch and literally a bracelet that my friend got me. And these you can get from like Marshalls, TJ Maxx, these type of like bracelets. So definitely not breaking the bank, still within budget, sis. So yeah. And still pairing with the same bag. I'm not changing the bag, you guys. I'm just really showing you how to, you know, style all black number and make it look expensive. The key essentials is definitely to, you know, just elevate in your closet more grown, more classy. All of that is an all black fit. Like, you cannot go wrong with an all black fit. So yeah, you wear this like wherever you're going, to a party, wherever, to the club, like you're coming in, like you gotta have that confidence. Like, yeah, I'm that bitch, and what about it? Yeah, I'm that girl, and what about it? You exude that energy when you're wearing fur. Giving scumma. No, but for real, it's giving what it needs to give. Alrighty, the next piece is this jacket, leather jacket that I got from Shein, all black. Has this little strap here, so definitely giving, you know, luxury bad bee vibes. It has buttons, so just, you know, however you want to tie it, but definitely just throwing on, you know, like a black little leather jacket or a trench for sure. It's definitely gonna give what it needs to give. And of course, lastly, the piece to look expensive, classy, professional, that girl, grown, when you're grown and sexy, is a blazer. It's a blazer, period. And you all have seen this on my channel. It was in my Shein haul, and it's definitely, once again, given Chanel vibes. Voila. I can't even remember how many ways I styled this, you know, simple black number, but it was a couple of ways. So let's run through everything that you need to, you know, bring your closet to the next level, that wardrobe to that grown, sexy, classy, bossy, period. You're giving expensive vibes. Okay, so hope you all enjoyed the different ways to style this black number. Again, it's just a turtleneck from H&M and just some high-waisted black pants, and yeah, basic things that are just really essential to have in your closet if you're trying to go for that expensive, bossy vibes, classy, elegant, you know, that type of vibe. You really, I feel like these essential pieces are just like ideal, like, because they could really just, you know, be dressed down or dressed up. So definitely a blazer is just like a must-have if you're really trying to, you know, give off luxury. I feel like just like a blazer is just that girl, like it gives what it needs to give. Also, I think just having an all black number in your closet, all black dress, all black pieces, you know, just black is just easy to dress up and dress down. So, and it just looks, you know, professional and grown and just like sexy. Also with styling, making sure you have your arm candy, some type of jewelry. More simplistic jewelry, I feel like, just gives off more like a soft, elegant vibe rather than like those big gaudy jewelry, you know what I'm saying? So jewelry that's simplistic, a nice booty. That was so ratchet, but I don't know any way else to show y'all because I'm not tilting this camera down. But booties, super comfortable. I love booties because I hate heels. I'm not like, I don't do good in heels, honestly, truly. I could wear heels for like a couple hours, but after that I need a chair, I need to sit down. Yeah, so all black booties definitely can dress your outfit up. And then, you know, you could also dress it down. So booties are just like a must-have. and your pocketbook, your purse, your clutch, whatever you have. It just needs to be, you know, it just whatever you like. Yeah, but that's just my take. And of course a fur, like fur just gives money, it gives wealth, that's what it gives. So I think really those are the key things that I wanted to talk about in today's video. You know, how to dress up this, you know, an all back number, back dress, whatever you have. Like there's different ways and to make that look, you know, expensive, bougie, classy, bougie, not all that, but the bougie and classy part, that. And of course you have to smell good, but we're not going to get into that today. But this definitely was all over the place, definitely not what I had in my head, but I think because I've been drinking this wine, I feel a little nice, so I'm going all off script. I didn't have a script, but that probably would have helped, so I could have had some order. But anyways, let me know if y'all liked this video or whatnot. I gotta go because I'm actually going to meet my friends, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Girl, again, if you're new, sit still and get comfortable. Or if you're new, sit still and get comfortable and join the fam. Like, I need friends. All right, thanks so much for watching.